Okay, now on this side here, this is where we have all of our controls. So I do have it plugged in, but we'll turn it on here in a minute. All right, here we have another DC input plug, and this is one just like on the other side. So what I was saying, you can plug it in over there or over here, depending on your preference and your needs. This here is the AC outlet where we can plug in the 120 cord, plug it into your household current. Very nice. So there is just the cord. There's not a transformer built-in line. You actually have just the cord, and it's all built inside right here. Very nice. And then over here, we have our USB. We have two USB outlets so we can actually charge cell phones and run a few things off that. Very cool. They had that nice water resistant covers right here to keep the dust out too, was really nice. So on here we have our power button, our max and eco button, our settings here. This is our plus and minus to change our temperature. So we should be able to just hold this button down to turn it on.